What up? They be talking about them switches that they be putting in them pistols. Man, that switch ain't nothing but a high-powered drive-by. You know when you do drive-by, you have to slow the car down, sometimes stop, and then shoot. Man, with that switch, you can be doing 50 miles per hour and still get the job done. That bitch ain't gonna 50 rounds. And that's it. You gotta have 4-5 clips with you, bro. You spend out 50 shots in like, I don't know the specs on it, but shit. That shit just crazy. You can do a drive by doing 40 miles per hour. Better have about 6-7 clips with you. And then you get caught with that motherfucker, you in trouble. For real. I'm just saying.